Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best snap ring pliers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Snap Ring Pliers. You might not use these a lot, but when you need to remove or install snap rings, these special pliers are truly the only tool to get the work done fast and conveniently. Whether you're a professional mechanic, home repair professional, or just a DIYer who likes to handle tasks around the home, a pair of best snap ring pliers set are a great addition to your tool collection. Number 5. 4 pieces 7-inch circlip plier snap ring pliers. Comes with a storage box for more convenient use and storage. Designed to easily assemble and disassemble machines and equipment using snap ring. Made of high-quality carbon steel material. Main features: ergonomic handle, quality materials, easy of use. Number 4. Diane heavy-duty snap fastener pliers. Adjustable pliers design enables greater leverage over die and peg snap tools. The vice grip system allows you to get good leverage to crimp the two pieces together. Main features: snap set or snap tool, easy manipulation, strong and powerful. Number 3. 4 pieces mini snap ring pliers set heavy duty. These retaining removal tools are suitable for automotive, mowers, plumbing and pipes. Excellent durability. Our transmission snap ring pliers are made of forged durability. Main features: durable and comfortable design, easy to use, wide application. Number 2. Work Pro 4-piece snap ring pliers. The snap ring pliers feature premium spring-loaded, bi-material ergonomic handles which provides overall control, makes them more comfortable and secure than others. Main features: reliable organization, durable and safe to use, premium construction. Number 1. Channel Lock 927 8-inch snap ring plier. Solid construction and unmatched reliability. Channel lock retaining ring pliers have the kind of accuracy and engineering that'll keep them in your toolbox for years to come. Main features: heavy-duty return spring, simple switch of the tab. Made in the USA. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.